It's Will Rich here with Stockmate. Hopefully you're having a great day today. In this video, I have to share with you guys that I just got this thought that I cannot be this far away from the quantum computing space and still be able to give you guys the best information. You see, I'm looking through all these articles, I'm looking at financials, I'm looking at news, I'm looking at tech, but I want to go see it firsthand. And I am relatively new to this quantum space. We just started covering it really in the past 3 months, if that. And so, what I want to share with you guys is I'm going to be breaking down at CES. I'm going to go to CES. You can see this announcement we had NVIDIA quantum pessimism triggers tech stock plunge. We saw that there's this quantum track where IONQ, among other quantum companies, are going to be talking here at CES. I'm getting my ticket late. It's the last day of CES, so that's something to consider. But tomorrow is the quantum, you can see this is the quantum track, all right, where they're going to be, this is a half day track tomorrow, January 9th, and it will feature the thought leaders discussing rapid advancements in quantum, adjacent technologies like optics and sensors, and how AI and machine learning drive business opportunities across the industries. I'm going to be there. I'm going to actually go. I'm going to fly out. Already started looking at my ticket here. I don't know if we're going to fly Spirit, but man, that's not too bad. That's a pretty cheap flight. So I'm going to actually go out there. If you guys would be interested in doing some sort of meetup, if there's people in Las Vegas and you're in Las Vegas, maybe you're at CES, make sure to comment down below, or I'll put together a quick form, fill it out, and then I can let you guys know what that looks like. We might possibly be able to do some sort of mastermind where we can all come together for a day on extremely short notice, if that's up for you. Otherwise, I'm going to get in there. I'm going to get a bunch of information. I'm going to get out, and I'm going to do it in a flight in just a few hours after I'm done cooking the steak that I have here in the back on the deck. So I'm going to finish cooking the steak. Probably have some lunch here with my wife. Then I got to let her know that I'm actually going to be flying to Las Vegas tonight. And then I got to get my CES tickets last minute, which is a little more expensive as well. But hey, that's what we got to do, guys, to get the best information to you here on the channel. And I just want to make a quick video sharing that with you guys. If you want to support, I still am going to go live, even though the market is closed tomorrow. I will go live tomorrow inside of Stockmate. So if you guys want to watch me trade live, you want to support the channel, but you also want to get in, we got an AMD sale as well. If AMD hits $185 a share, then you get Stockmate for free. But on top of that, you just get a bunch of value, and we're going to go live. We got an event still on the calendar for tomorrow morning at 6:30 a.m. And I'll make sure that we are there, even though tomorrow's CES, it's a big event over in Las Vegas. So I'm going to go check it out. I'm going to be there. I'll see you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If I heard your thumbs up, hit that like button. Appreciate you all. This is what we got to do. Keep it going. We just hit 10K subscribers on January 1st, guys. Before that, I was like hovering at like 3K subscribers for a very long time. And we were slowly growing. And we just got to a point where we struggled, and we started to break through, and we got like 7,000 extra subscribers in the past few weeks. And there's a lot of new people here. And I just want to tell you guys, thank you for subscribing. I appreciate you all. I want to show you that I'm dedicated to getting you guys to be in the best position investing in tech, whether you're an entrepreneur, if you're building a business, you're an investor or a trader, or maybe you're looking at just curious. That's really how the channel starts. So see you guys in my next video. I don't know if it'll be later today, maybe it'll be tomorrow morning, but I thought I'd give you an update. I'll see you guys there. Take care.